Okay, so this time we are going to discuss creating infographics using Piktochart. And here are the steps on how to create infographics using Piktochart. Okay, so there are 6 steps in creating infographics using Piktochart. Okay, the first step is you have to create a Piktochart account by going to www.piktochart.com and click sign up on the upper right corner of the page. Okay, so I hope already here www.piktochart.com.sign up. Okay, so this is the one that you are going to choose, and then you have to click sign up, okay, so that you can create an account. Okay, so these are the choices wherein you can create an account. You can sign up with your Google account or with your Facebook account. I will choose my Google account in signing up. If what you are going to create is infographics, you have to click this one. If it is presentations or posters, reports, flyers, social media, and then custom sizes. Since what we are going to do is infographics, let's click infographics. As you can see, there are so many templates to choose from. Okay, so number 2, fill up the information on the sign up page. Alternatively, you can connect with Google or Facebook. Okay, as you can, if you will notice, I did not fill up anymore the information on the sign up page because I have already filled it up a while ago. So that's why we are now on the infographic itself. Okay, that's the reason why I have not filled up the information on the sign up page anymore. Okay, so once you have created an account and logged in, select a template for your infographic. Since data relates to your topic, simply hover over the present board theme under free themes, then select create. Okay. Okay, this is what I have clicked a while ago. Create new, and then you have to choose. Since you just have to click infographics. Okay. Okay, the Piktochart editor will open, may take a while to load depending on your internet connection. The present board theme consists of 3 blocks. Select the blocks and input the information you see fit. When editing blocks, you can use the various tools on the left side of the page. Okay, so if you are going to use this template, okay, for example, okay, let's just click use template if this is the template that you want. Okay, so here's now our template. This is the template that you are going to use in creating your infographics. So as you can see on the left side, we have the add block, no? Okay, if I will click this add block, okay, so as you can see, the block has been added. Okay, so the block has been added. Okay, so let's just undo it, and then this we have the move down. And if you want to move it down, we have clone block if you want to duplicate the block. Okay, as you can see, there are two blocks that say the strategic planning process in 6 steps. This is the first block, and then this is the second block that has been added or that has been cloned. Okay, so let's just undo it because I'm just showing you how they are used. And then delete block if you don't want this block, no? Like for example, okay, you just delete block. Okay, and then the block will be deleted. Okay. Okay, settings. Okay, that's it. Okay, move up. If you want to go to the first block, and on the left side also of your screen, you can see graphics. We have design component, background, text, color scheme, and tools. Okay, so this one, the graphics, upload, background, text, styles, and tools. As you can see, there is no styles here. Instead, it's color scheme. And we have tour. Okay, so if you're going to click design components, okay, you can see lists, timelines, comparisons. Like for example, if you will click the lists, okay, so here are the lists to choose from. And if you are going to use this one, okay, it will be added to your block. Okay, like for example, this one also, as you can see, the list has been added to your block or to your template. Okay, so let's just undo it. Okay, so if you're going to go to timelines, okay, so these are the timelines. Like for example, if you're going to click this one, this timeline will also be added template. Okay, use this timeline, it will also be added to your template. Or like for example, you are going to add a block. Okay, so and it is block added block where you will insert or add the timelines. Okay, just like that. Okay. Like for example, if you want this timeline, okay, if you are going to click this one, it will be added to your block. Okay. So comparison, if you're going to click the comparisons, and then you're going to click this one, it will add it to the block. Okay, so that's it, no? Uploads. Okay, let's undo first. Undo. Okay, so like for example, you are going to add a picture, okay, from your computer. Okay, like for example, if the pictures that you are going to use for your infographics were downloaded in your computer, you just have to find it or and then insert it to your infographics. Like for example, if the pictures were saved in the downloads, you just have to go to downloads. Okay, and if the pictures were saved in your documents, okay, documents to your documents, or if the pictures were saved in your desktop, then you just have to go to your or click desktop. Okay. You just have to click open. Okay, just like that. So it will be um, added here. Okay, once you upload it from your computer, and then you just have to click it, and then it will now be added to your template. And then you have the background if you want to change the background of your template, like for example, like that. Okay, so you just have to click the background that you want for your infographics. Okay, if you want to add text, title, you just have to um, click title, subtitle, the subtitle number 2, subtitle number 3. The text frame, okay, so it will be added also to your template. Okay, so if you want to change the color of your template, of your infographics, then you just have to go to color scheme. Okay, so tools. If you want to insert chart, no? Okay, so just have to insert chart. Okay, just like that. If you want to insert the map, insert map. Okay, just like that. The map has been inserted in your template. And then if you want to insert a video, okay, like for example, you have to add a template and then you want to insert a video. Okay, so you just have to copy or paste here the link and then insert video. Or that's how we are going to make infographics. Okay, so if you will choose this template, so what you are going to do is you just have to remove, no, or delete everything that's on the template, and then change it with the pictures, the graphics that you want for your infographics, and then you can also change the texts, no, with the texts that you want for your infographics. Okay, like for example, if you are going to use this template, okay, if you want to change the title, like for example, you just have to double click, no, just double click and just say empowerment, empowerment technologies. um, Let us say double click again so that you can edit or change the text. Okay, like for example, if the topic is, so like for example, okay, so okay, so in number 1, focus, important. Okay, like for example, this one, balance. Okay, just double click, no? Okay, balance. Just double click inside the box. Double click again inside the box. Okay. And then number 2, you have emphasis, click, paste. Okay, so let's come to number 3, movement. Movement. Okay, let's come now to number 4. Okay, so that's number 4. Okay, let's come to number 5. Proportion. And then if you want to insert an example of proportion or a picture of proportion. Okay, so let's save first the image. Save. Okay, proportion desktop. Okay, save. Okay, let's go back to our, let's go to uploads, browse images. Okay, we're already here in our desktop. Let's just, okay, find the proportion. Okay, our image of proportion is already here. We will just click it so that it will be added to our template. Okay, that's how you insert an image. Okay, you have to download it first so that you can insert it in your template. Continue. Number 6 is variety. Okay, variety. Double click again. Okay, let's copy the definition of variety. Okay, let's paste it here. Let's erase this one, delete. Okay, so that's it. So let's download it. Download as block. Okay, let's download as blocks. Download. Okay, let's open. And then we have to extract all. Click extract all, extract, click extract. Okay, and then let's open. Okay, that's how our infographics looks like. That's how we make infographics. Okay, so this is just one of the templates that you can choose in creating infographics using Piktochart. No, it depends on the template that you are going to choose. Um, what kind of infographics you are going to make, because there are templates that it's more of images or graphics instead of texts. Okay, okay, just like this one, if you're going to choose this or use this template, okay, you will notice, no, okay, you have to insert more graphics or images. Okay, so just like this one, an image for hand washing, an image for provide masks, okay, an image for make space or social distancing, okay, an image for no visitors, an image for floor markings, okay, redesign, okay, meet remotely, no? And then this one, as you can see, there are many pictures or images or graphics that you are going to add or insert in your infographics, no? Okay, it's a combination of texts and graphics or pictures or images, no? As what I have said, it depends on the template that you are going to select or choose the kind of infographics that you are going to create, no? If it is more on or if it is a combination of texts and graphics. Okay, you just have to choose a template. You just have to choose a template in creating infographics using Piktochart. Okay, so that's it. No? Or if you want to create a new, you just have to click infographics, or you can start from blank. Now, if you don't want to choose this, by the way, if you don't want to choose any of the templates available, and then you just want to create your own infographics, you just click start from blank. Okay, so as you can see, it's blank. No, the template is blank. All you have to do is you just have to go to text, no, and then click title. It says here double click to edit, and then you have to delete it, and then you have to type the title of your infographics. Okay, like for example, um, empower what is empowerment technology important. Okay, what one is empowerment technology important. Okay, or the importance of empowerment technology. Okay, you can download, okay, you can save this image first so that you can insert or add it in your um, template. Let's save it first so we can download it or insert it in our template. Okay, so let's go back to our template. Where's our template? Okay, let's go to uploads and let's browse images and let's find our image. The empowerment technology. Okay, it's uploading. It's already here. Let's insert it in our template. Okay, it's already there. Okay, so let's go back to the importance. Okay, let's change the importance of empowerment technology. Let's change our title. Okay, the importance of empowerment technology. Okay, so this is still the topic that we used in our um, activity last meeting. The empowerment technology often deals with, okay, so okay, let's the body, let's click body text, choose or change the color. Okay, you can change the color of the text if you want. You can also add the, change the font size so that it is readable. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so you can insert again a picture or an image that has something to do with the importance of empowerment technology. It says here, um, empowerment technology is important for its innovative uses and is sufficient in daily lives. There are three importance of empowering technology, and these are for communication, to make our lives easier, and to help our country for its modernization. Like for example, communication. Okay, you want to insert picture that has something to do with communication. Okay, communication. You just have to type communication. Okay, and then go to images. Okay, like for example, this one. Okay, so you have to save it first. Our file name is communication. Okay, saved in the in our desktop. Okay, so let's go back to our template. Let's go to uploads again, browse images. Okay, let's look for our, okay, communication for our image or graphic. Okay, it's already downloading. Okay, it's already here, our picture of communication. Okay, so you have to reduce its size. Okay. Okay, let's put our image here or graphic. Okay, so this is one of the importance of empowerment technology. You know, this for communication to make our lives easier. Okay, next. Empowerment technology is important for its use as a source of communication as years pass and its and other devices. Okay, so let's search for gadgets. No? Gadgets. Because gadgets is one of the importance of empowerment technology that can make our lives easier. No? Communication now becomes very fast or easy because of these gadgets. So let's save again this image or this graphic so we can insert it in our template, no, in our infographics. And then let's look for the gadgets. Okay, gadgets. As this is one of the importance of empowerment technology. Especially, it makes our lives easier. It makes communication easier. Okay, so here's already for image. Okay, you can add also if you want. The empowerment technology is important since it makes our individual lives easier in different aspects as for school matters. Okay, blackboards and whiteboards are one of the tools used in teaching students. Okay, let's copy. Okay, let's go to body text. Okay, let's change again the color. Okay, let's just use black. And then let's change the font size. Let's make it 20. Okay, so now, okay, it says here, now there are already LCD projectors that is being used by many institutions or schools nowadays. You know, before, blackboards and whiteboards are one of the tools used in teaching students. Okay, so let's insert the picture, okay, smart TV, no? Because it's already what the students are using nowadays, no? Or the schools are using nowadays. The smart TV, smart TV. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's already here. Okay, so let's insert our smart TV. Okay, that's how our infographics looks like now. You can still add, no, you can still add black if you want. No? Okay, just like that. Okay, so that's it. Now that's how we make an infographics. Or if you want, you can um, change the position. On the right, on the left side are the graphics, and on the right side are the texts. Okay, you can save your um, infographics. Okay, let's preview it. Or you can download it. Okay, download as PNG. Okay, so our infographics has already been downloaded. Okay, let's open it. Extract all. Okay, that's how our infographics looks like. Okay, that's it.